Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Rachel, and welcome back to my channel. Today, excuse me, I had to burp. Today, I am revamping my kitchen shelves here. They are super wintry slash fall. So my kitchen shelves are super duper wintry themed. There's foxes, there's trees with snow on them, there's bears and deer and all kinds of wintry things. So I am ready to say goodbye to my cold weather friends and welcome some spring items. I purchased a few faux plants yesterday at Target, and I also took some bottles and jars that I had and put some fresh buds in there. So I'm gonna show you guys how I take this winter scene and this area and transform it for warm weather. So as you can see, we have a deer up there, some trees with snow, just some pine cones and foxes and very wintry looking items. So I'm going to definitely be taking some of that down. And I might even keep some of the little trees and just somehow incorporate them into a more spring summer vibe. So we'll see how that goes.